How do you reset the self-cleaning oven? FC lock door is on the display.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Error FC means there is a failed communication between the display control board and the relay control board. You'd first want to just flip the circuit breaker off to the oven or unplug the oven for 5 minutes to see if the electronics will reset. It sounds like you already did that and that didn't fix the issue, so at this point you'd need to take the oven apart a bit and check the wires going into the back of the display board to make sure they are all securely plugged in. If that all heck's good, then your control board has just failed and would need to be rehoused. This isn't really an issue you can just reset other than trying to flip the power off to the oven.
Is there a way to unlock the oven door so that the oven can be used? The oven is not hot. I tried the self-cleaning yesterday.
You can manually unlock the oven door if you're fairly skilled, but the oven likely still won't be able to be used until you can replace the faulty board. It's not easy to manually unlock the door. You'll need to use a coat hanger and pull the latch assembly from right to left by slipping it down between the door and the oven frame at the top. Force the latch over to the left and open the door. Now I do want to also add that you may need something stronger than a coat hanger to manually open the door. If you have an L-shaped tool like a cotter pin puller or Allen wrench, that might give you the added strength to be able to pull on the latch and release it.
Thanks.
Not a problem, but I'm sorry about the bad news today. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.